Now we will see the 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. To do any multiplications in general, we'll use a calculator or use the pen and paper. So without using those, we can how to do calculations internally. Let us see with first 2-digit by 1-digit. And before that, you must know aware of this complete chart. So table, single digit table. So 1 to 9, 10 times table is easy. Simple like one table only, right? This table should be perfect first of all. So there is no any alternate. Once you're perfect, this complete table, single digit multiplication table, if you're perfect, then only we can do even 2-digit, 3-digit multiplications also orally in very just fast. So before that, this chart, the complete entire chart, even reverse in order. So not only 2 times table, 2 times 2, 2 to the 4, again 2 3 is 6, same 2 4 is 8. Not only in reverse also, even 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. So in reverse also should be perfect, vertical or horizontal. Anyway, the complete entire chart you must be perfect first. Once you thorough about this, now to do this 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication, let's have some the simple technique now. So let us take one example. Okay, I'm taking example 42 times into 7. So in normal multiplication, we'll take 7 with 2. Again, we'll take extra carry forward to the 4. And we'll again multiply with 7 times 4. We'll add that. So that is a lengthy process. But to remember and do very fast. Once you're already perfect with single digit table. Right? Now, to do make it simple, not complicated, 42 is nothing but 40 plus 2. This is all work done by internally. Okay, I am writing on the board, but the work should be done internally. Then only we can do in mind. So this is the 42, 40 plus 2 we can imagine. From left to right we can multiply. Okay, first is 40 into 7. We know just 4 into 7, already perfect with the single digit multiplication. So simple 4 into 7 is 28. Now 40 into 7 is 280. This work done by internally. So 40 into 7, that is 280. So with this we'll multiply once. Again with this we'll multiply the same. Single digit multiplication straight away. 40 into 7 is 280. We'll keep in mind. Again just 2 into 7 is 14. Already in previous chapters you have perfectly learned how to do additions of any numbers internally. So 280 plus 14, 294. So this is the one simple technique, but need to practice little bit will be perfect. So instead of gaining much hard also, just we can make in parts in mind and alternate way we can add. Let us see one more example to get clear idea. For example, let me take 48, single digit, double digit with single digit time multiplication. 48 times 4. So this is 48. Okay, what we can take 48 while reading the number only 48. 48. Okay, like that we can mind 40 plus 8, but 48 you are reading, so 40 and 8. Immediately 40 into 4. Even not enough 40, just 4 into 4, 16, right? 40 into 4 is 160, just 4 into 4 is 16, so 40 into 4 is 160. Again immediately next 8 into 4, 8 times 4 is 32. Just internally we can add this 192. Okay, this is one simple technique even for doing the 2-digit number by multiply with 1 digit internally. So most of the thing what I'm saying is only the calculation should be in mind without using pen and paper. This concept we can helpful, right? Let us have a few more examples. Okay, taking 62 into 3. Let's take a simple example. With simple example practice, then automatically get. This is 62. Okay, 60 plus 2. While you're reading the number 62 times 3, 62 into 3, so 63. Like that, when you're practicing, you'll practice loudly and right. Just internal only everything. 62 into 3 is the question. So immediately I have to keep in mind 63. 63, 18, 0. Okay, again mine is 2 into 6, 2 into 3, that is 6. That's completely 186. So 62 into 3 is 186. And the simple problems you can do, not no more complicated. Same concept. Let's have one more example. Okay, let's take the big number. 71 into 9. This is 71. How to keep in mind? 70 plus 1. 71, right? 71 into 9. While giving the question only, we should read loudly and think. 71, 79 is 71 into 9, but you should imagine 79, 1, 9. 70 into 9. Immediately 7 into 9, that is 63, 0. Next 1 into 9, that is 9. So by adding this both, we can write 639. So 639. This is one thing. And same concept, one more rounding up method I'll tell you here. That is a rounding up. How to do this? Let us see. Same multiplication, but instead of adding, let us do subtract. For example, let me take one question. 69 into 6. So in general, this 69 into 6. Okay, according to the previous content, 60 and 9. 60 plus 9, right? So internally we should calculate 60 into 6. That we can take 360. Again 9 into 6. Okay, 54. 360 plus 54. Previous chapter you understood how to add 360 plus 54. 360 plus 50 plus 4. Okay, that way we did. Already practiced. 360 plus 50 is 410 plus 4. So 414. This is one method. Or to make the round up, this one you can say like this. Same 69 to multiply with 6. In case if you feel the 9 is also very big, we can this near to the 70 multiple of 10. So this we can take 70 minus 1. So instead of 9 table, 1 table is easy. Right? Now 70 into 6. 7 6 are just 42. Friend, the 0 you can keep directly. But it's minus 1 into 6. Just 6 we can subtract. Same 414, right? Instead of 69 into 6, we're taking 69 becomes 70 minus 1. So 70 into 6 and minus 1 into 6. That's the answer. So this is the rounding up. If any number is near to the multiple of tens, like 69, 68, and don't take more 67, 64. Again, it will be complicated when subtracting. Because generally you will feel easy by adding, not for subtracting. Subtracting is single digit simple. You can do fast. Okay, the method is we need to round up and we can do even the numbers are a little bit near to the multiple of 10 that you can remember. Okay, the main thing in this 2 digit by 1 digit is just we can split the parts and individually internally we can multiply and adding also should be done internally only. So this is the concept. Little bit practicing if you're done, then it will be easy. So don't have to worry about that. But before that, the single digit multiplication chart table should be perfect entire. Then only you can do. Now let us see the same concept how we can apply in 3 digit by 1 digit multiplication. We'll see now.